Hey traders, welcome back to your channel. Today we are diving into a topic that's crucial for anyone in the Forex market, expert advisors, or like as we know commonly, or as we commonly call them, EA. If you're wondering what they are and how they work and whether they can enhance your trading strategy, you are in the right place. Stick around as we break down the ins and outs of expert advisors. So, first of all, we are going to talk about what is an expert advisor. So, like, first thing first, what exactly is an expert advisor? An expert advisor is a piece of software designed to automate your trading strategies on the MetaTrader platform. So think of it as a robot that can execute trades on your behalf based on predefined rules and conditions. This automation can save you time and remove emotional aspects from trading. So now we are going to talk about functions of expert advisors. So what expert advisors can do for you. Now, so EA can perform a range of tasks from opening and closing trades to implementing complex trading strategies. Here are some key functions. So number one function is automated execution. EA can execute trades automatically when specific conditions are met. Number two, risk management. They can incorporate stop loss and take profit levels to manage risk. Number three, trade analysis. Expert advisors can analyze market conditions using technical indicators and other parameters. Number four is continuous monitoring. EAs work 24 into 5, monitoring the markets even when you are away from your trading platform. So now let's talk about creating and customizing expert advisors. So creating and customizing your own expert advisors might sound complex, but it can be done. If you have programming skills, you can code your EA. Alternatively, many pre-built EAs are available for purchase or rent. Remember, customization is key. Tailor your EA to your trading styles and preferences. Now let's also talk about backtesting and optimization. So before deploying your expert advisor in a live environment, it's crucial to backtest and optimize. Backtesting allow you to see how your EA would have performed in historical market conditions. Optimization helps you fine tune the parameters for the best results. It's like giving your EA a test run before the real race. Now let's go to the conclusion. So there you have it, expert advisors in a nutshell. Whether you are a seasoned trader or just starting, understanding EAs can be a game changer for your Forex journey. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Happy trading, and I'll see you in the next video.